How to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. Need to withdraw money from Bitget to your bank account. In this short guide, I'll walk you through the steps to safely transfer your funds. Let's begin. Open the Bitget app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the Assets section. If your funds are in cryptocurrency, convert them to fiat currency first. Select the crypto, for example USDT, and sell it for your local fiat currency, for example US dollars or euros. Once you have fiat in your account, go to Assets and click on Withdraw. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, add your bank details under the Withdrawal section and ensure the account matches your name on Bitget to avoid any issues. Select the fiat currency you want to withdraw and enter the amount and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Confirm the details and submit your withdrawal request. Bitget will require a two-factor authentication code for security, so complete these steps to verify your request. Withdrawal processing times vary by bank, but it typically takes between 1 and 3 business days, so be a little patient. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from Bitget to your bank account, and if you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next tutorial.